Okay guys, this is a 2018 Kia Sedona SXL, fully loaded, rebuilt title, front end damage right through here, all been fixed up. SXL fully loaded, having the adaptive cruise, 45,000 miles on it, navigation, 360 camera, heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel. So all your different options here. Memory seats, automatic windows, does have power folding mirrors, blind spot monitors, lane assist, power sliding doors. Does have the Infinity sound system in there, so better stereo than all your other Kias. There's your VIN. Good look at the seat. No sunroof on this one. This is an 8-passenger. Does have the sunshades on both front, or the 2 rear windows. Does have rear heated seats. Floor mats. 3 seat belts there in the back. Power lift gate. Looks like these seats will go right into there. Not called stow and go, but they're definitely, I think they're a little flat in there. Tough to find a loaded van like this, 45,000 miles for under 20 grand. Smart key. No airbags did deploy on this. You can check out all my inventory at realdealauto.com. These are LED lights. When at night you can see daylight lights.